we discussed, your homework, which will be done in active, will be following along with the Timberlake book, that is a Pearson book with these PowerPoints. And we also have a lab component to this course, and for the lab, we'll be using Beyond Labs. So we want to set that up, and these are the instructions here. Now, I believe your Beyond Labs is set up through the bookstore, so you shouldn't really have to purchase anything. And here is the group name that you're going to join with and the invitation code. Okay, so you should have already purchased your Beyond Labs through the bookstore. You have at the bottom of the PDF the group name and the invitation code, and so you'll need that for Beyond Labs. Okay, so I don't know if you click on that. So anyway, if you go to Beyond Labs and you go ahead and get started, you're not going to see the same dashboard that I have. So over here on the left, you'll have your assignments here under this assignments tab. And your grades are not going to populate automatically, unfortunately. I couldn't get that set up for the summer, but I've went ahead and assigned your assignments here. And then and all of them are open. And notice they're due on the 11th at midnight as well. I have a placeholder for these labs to hold your grade. Okay, that placeholder is not a link, but it will hold your grade for your lab, and I'll only be grading those once or twice a week. So keep that in mind. Your grade won't populate for a few days after you do the lab. So for lab 1, for example, I have some links, but they weren't really working earlier, so they may or may not work for you. But that will take you to the same link that you will find under your assignments tab. So for example, this measuring mass assignment, you can access also through your assignments tab here. When you do the assignment, I'll be checking your activity, and the procedure is here. If I get a chance, I will make a video on these, and I will place that video. I'll place that video here in the link in the assignment page under the module. So if I get a chance, I'll place a video in each one of these to help you figure out how to do the lab. Okay, so that's going to be under the labs. So each module has the labs that are due that week. So next week, or for the first week, you'll have 3 labs. That seems like a lot, but these first 2 are very quick. They won't take you very long, just a few minutes. And so then for the second week, you're going to have labs 4, 5, and 6, and these are also pretty quick. And then the third week, 7, 8, and 9. So you do have quite a few labs. The fourth week, 10 and 11, and the fifth week, 12 and 13. But again, these labs are so fast, it's going to take you so much less time, probably, than you would spend inside the lab. If you have any trouble getting these to work, no problem. Just contact me and I'll jump on Teams with you and try to help you figure it out. So hopefully that gives you a general overview of the course, and in particular, the active and the labs. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. And I may be making some minor adjustments as we go along. I'll be adding videos as I can, and hopefully you will be very successful this semester. I want to see everyone succeed. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be happy to help you on Teams. I'll be happy to meet with you in my office as long as I'm in town, and I may go out of town at the end of May, but as long as I'm in town, I'm happy to meet with you, and you can just make an appointment, and I'll be happy to meet with you anytime. Thank you, and have a great day.